Welcome back, children. Welcome to Refresh Concepts with me, Dinesh Modi. Let's proceed further. Now, after learning distance formula, we move further with section formula. You are aware what is section formula. We have learnt what is section formula, right? So, what kind of sums, simple sums is what are going to be there in section formula? Let's see how the question is going to be. The question says, find the coordinates of point P if P divides line segment joining the points A having coordinates, B having coordinates in the ratio 2:3. So, what do we have in the question? We do have in a question that there is a line segment with A coordinates -1, 7 and B having coordinates what? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Now, point P divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3. Mind you, it is not the midpoint. So, we take somewhere point P here. It is this particular point P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. When we say 2:3, that means AP is 2 and PB is 3. How much is AP? AP is 2 and that of PB is 3. What we need to find out actually, find the coordinates of point P. We need to find out the coordinates of this particular point. So let us say this is x1, y1. Let us say this is x2, y2. And let's say point P is nothing but x, y. And we are aware about what is section formula for internal division. I have made you understand what is section formula, right? There are two formulas, section formula for internal and section formula for external. This is nothing but section formula for internal division. So recollect yourself, refresh your concepts. What is it? In order to find out the x coordinate of that particular point, it is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. mx2, in order to get the x coordinate, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So we write down our solution as, what? Let A having coordinates -1, 7, which is identically equal to x1, y1, B 4 minus 3, x2, y2. Let point P having coordinates what? X, y, divide segment AB in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3. That is, m is nothing but 2 and n is nothing but 3. Or you can say m is to n is 2:3. If you want, you can write down m is to n. That is, m is to n is 2:3. We will take m is to n, n is 3 when we go for substitution. By using section formula, you need not write down for internal division, for external division. This is clear-cut internal division, but still you need not write down. By using section formula, what is section formula? The x coordinate of that particular point which divides the line segment. The x coordinate of that particular point which divides the line segment is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Likewise, y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Children, in exam, if you have space, you can write down x and y one besides the other. But if you don't have space, you feel that your handwriting are big enough, then you can write down one below the other. No need to write down one besides the other. Normally, it looks nice presentation wise when we say write down x and y together, right? Choice is yours. X is equals to, now what is m? M is 2. What is x2? Children, what is x2? x2 is 4. Be very careful in substitution. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1. 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 whole upon 2 plus 3. Likewise, I'll say y is equals to m is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 upon m plus n, which is 2 plus 3. Let's work out the x part first. X equals to 8, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 by 5, which is nothing but x is equals to 5 by 5. X turns out to be 1. On the same lines, when I work out y y is equals to minus 6 plus 21 by 5, y is equals to 15 by 5, y turns out to be 3. See, what is the x coordinate of that particular point? 1. What is the y coordinate of that particular point? 3. Final answer. Therefore, the coordinates of point P, the coordinates of point P is nothing but 1, 3, which is nothing but Rx and Y. Very simple, children, very simple. Right? These are very basic problems. Mind you, such problems are very doubtful to be there in the exam. But yes, these are basic problems in what sense? To make you understand how section formula gets applied. Right? So, what will be given to us? What could be the different type of sums? Here, it was the coordinate of P is what we were supposed to find out. And what was given to us? Point A, point B along with the coordinates, and the ratio was given to us. So, what kind of different varieties of sum can come? If P is given, A is given, then the coordinates of B is what we need to find out. Or P is given, B is given, A we need to find out. Or finally, we need to find out M and N when A given, P given and B given. We need to find out M is to N. So these are the varieties of sums which can be asked with section formula. Right, children? Quite simple.